If you are a teacher who would like to use Sketchnotes to convey your lessons, or a student who would like to understand a concept using graphical representations, then you are at the right place. In this video, I will show you how to use free Google AI tool to improve your teaching and learning abilities. I am Pat. Let's get started. Turning onto my computer, the very first thing I will do is to open Google Chrome. From Google Chrome, I will then enter Gemini website. We are going to use Gemini for this lesson, okay? Now, the next thing I would like to do is to enter a prompt. So I will enter this prompt. This prompt says, explain critical thinking in a very simple way for beginners. You can see that it is stated here for beginners. You can go on and say for a 10-year-old or for an undergraduate. You can as well change this topic to any topic of your choice. Once you are done with that, the next thing you will do is to change it from fast to thinking mode. Okay? Now, you then click on submit. Immediately you click on submit, Google Gemini will go on to do this explanation for you. You can see the level here. This is what critical thinking is all about. So you can see it here, detective, and it even gave us a kind of illustration, but this is not the illustration we want. We want a sketch note, you understand? But this explanation here will help us to get our sketch notes. Now, since we have gotten the explanation, the text we needed for this, we need to simplify it using a sketch note. The next thing is to get a prompt for this. So here is my prompt. This prompt says it should be a simple hand-drawn sketch note. Okay, clean white background. You give all these specification, black pen for text and outline, 2 to 3 soft colors, you understand? Then the layout guidelines should be all of these. Okay, then the aspect ratio should be 16:9. That is for landscape. If you want it to be vertical, you alternate these to 9:16 aspect ratio. But do not worry, I will keep all these prompts in the description box below. You can find them there. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to change this tool. We are going to use creative images. What this does is to enable Google Nano Banana. Okay, the Google Nano Banana for image will be used for this. Then I will click on submit. Wait for Google Nano Banana to do its magic. As usual, I'll have to pause this video and return back when the process is complete. Boom! We have our sketch notes here. You can see the sketch notes. You can click on it so that it will zoom or to maximize it. So you see about rumor of fake news, info flow. You will have to check the information, do critical thinking by filtering who sent it, from where, is it reliable, was it current, the purpose, and all of that. This is a kind of what you will need to learn under critical thinking. I hope you understand. So if you like this image, this sketch note, all you will need to do is to come to this place and click on download full size. You can as well copy it to Canva or any other platform and make use of it from there. For example, if I want to use it on Canva, let me open Canva here. I have my Canva here. So assuming I want to use it or combine it with other notes, it can be Canva, PowerPoint, or anything. Let me choose presentation from Canva. So I will have to go back here and just simply click on copy. Look at it here. Copy image, come to Canva and press Ctrl V from the keyboard. Boom, we'll have it here. You can see it here. So you can position it the way you want it, maybe combine it with other graphics and use it for a presentation or any document you are working on. You can as well go on to download it either from Canva. You know how to download. If you don't know how to use Canva, I have done series of videos on Canva. Okay, you can find them in my channel Patech Academy. So you can download it from here. You can as well go to Gemini and then click on download full size. Once you do that, it will download. Look at it here. So I can go to the location and open it as an image. You can go on and do it with different topics. Let me know in the comment box if you are able to get this. I hope you understand. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe, like, comment and share in order to show your support towards me. Also check this video on how to generate lesson notes and quizzes with AI. The video is popping up now and you will also find it in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.